Hanyo hai atukuri career nai tongnai jotto bayap songno lamsogo tinini important current affairs session o tiningkha October ni first current affairs session chini o channel o tini to October ni 18 tarik wngwi thangka haipano October ni ordek rong simi current affairs ro hinui tawansukdi omo October ni first ni simi je event rok wngwi phaimani jotono rwjangnai kaisa korea chini o channel ni bisingtwi aboni bagui norok chini channel bai kwrwngwi tongdi bwskangni phai tongnai ICDS Panchayat Executive Officer tai cdpo rong bagui belai kheno nangnai tai omoni PDF bo free rwjangnai chini Telegram channel ni bisingtwi monthly PDF o October mas ni hingke November ni 1 tarik o rwjangnai Telegram channel o video ni description o bo link rirnai Telegram channel ni norok chini Telegram channel no join khai naimano aro free PDF tai light thangjak man rongni bo already rijak tongo norok aro habai free ono PDF download khainai mano bwskango phaitongnai kwbangma competitive exam rokni bagai phaidingke kok salaioi tini session changlasinai tini first question wngkha 1 number which state has won Ayushman Utkristata Puruskar 2022 bo state mankha ni sungo Ayushman Utkristata Puruskar 2022 ni omni right answer wngkha A. Andhra Pradesh mankha o puruskar. Next question. Which state naval ship has reached Seychelles to take part in the annual training exercise Operation Southern Readiness? India Navy ni bo ship bo jahaz Seychelles kaisa country o country o thangkain chao kaisa exercise ni bagai a exercise ni mungkha Operation Southern Readiness. Aro India ni bo jahaz thangkangke omni right answer wngkha D. INS Sunanya. Next question. Flowers Festival Bathukama is celebrated in which Indian state? Flower Festival khaijaka Bathukama mung a festival ni abo bo jaga celebrate khaijaka ni sungoro omni right answer wngkha A. Telangana o palaijaka omo. Next question. Who has been elected as the president of Hockey India recently? Indian hockey ni sabono president chongjaka hinchungo oro omni right answer wngkha Dilip Tirki. Next question. The Swash Taekwondo competition has been started by which union ministry? Bo union ministry ni bisingtwi Swash Taekwondo competition start khaijaka nisungoro omni right answer wngkha B. Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry ni bisingtwi chengjaka omo. Next question. Which team defeats South Zone in final to win the Cricket 2022 Dulip Trophy? Bo team South Zone no match nai final o paikha ni sungoro Cricket 2022 Dulip Trophy bumongke chin Tripura player Manishankar Mora Singh thangimani a cup omo trophy bongke ijuno thungo ngoro final o sabo paikha hingke omni right answer wngkha C. West Zone South Zone no match nai paikha o Dulip Trophy 2022 ni. Next question. Who among the following will be honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2020? Nai noro confusing manoro confused tangdi 2020 ni award no tabok rejago 2022 o oro sabo mankha hingke C. Asa Parekh. Mutinardi belekhin important o Dadasaheb Phalke Award kwbangma competitive exam o phaijak last year ni omo kaisa Bollywood ni joton sai kotor award abon bagai omo important. Next question. Sahar Al Rumaih has become the first woman deputy governor of which country's central bank? Sahar Al Rumaih bo buri first deputy governor wngkha bo country ni central bank ni hinchungoro omni right answer wngkha Kuwait country ni. Who among the following has been declared the winner of the Herman Keston Prize 2022? Tolani option jang bisingo sabono winner hinai declare khaijaka Herman Keston Prize 2022 ni omni right answer wngkha B. Meena Kandasamy. Next question. When is the World Environment Health Day observed every year? Bodino Environment Health Day every year no palaijak hinchungo omni right answer angka C 26 September ro. Next question, Jaldut app is developed by which ministry? Jaldut app hini kaisa develop khaijaka means khulokjaka amobu ministry ni bisingti hini sungoro omni right answer angka rural development ministry ni bisingti. Next question, which country has recently launched spy satellite NROL 91 launched into orbit? Bo country recently ono launch khagen chao spy satellite means gawangma country ono naijomna ni bagai a satellite ni mongkha NROL 91 abo orbiter hojaka earth ni orbito omni right answer angka B USA or spy satellite no rohorka launch khaikya. Next question, who has been appointed as the second chief of defense staff of India? Sabno chongjaka ni saworo second chief of defense staff of India means CDS. Second chongjaka katal omni right answer angka B Anil Chauhan. First singi sabotongmani abo belaikan important abongka Bipin Rawat bo helicopter accident ngai thikya 2021 ni December maso aboni ulo interim ke tongmani means srapcha jorani bagai Manoj Mukund Narbani no rajak tongmani happen bo permanent ya aboni ulo tabok second chief of defense staff namjaka India ni sabonong ke Anil Chauhan no. Next question, which neighboring countries has launched its first interactive gaming platform named Hasia and Friends? India ni Ghana ni bo country kaisa gaming platform launch khaikya ni sao first time a platform ni mongkha Hasia and Friends omni right answer angka C Bangladesh launch khaikya mo. Next question, recently who has won the first Queen Elizabeth II award? Recently no first Queen Elizabeth II award rajago abo sabono rajaka hinchungo omni right answer angka Siula Braverman bo sabongke bongka United Kingdom ni Home Secretary bo India ni origin means India ni bongso. Next question, which state has published India's first tribal community based encyclopedia? Omni right answer angka B Odisha publish khaikya. Next question, FIFA has released a 3-episode series on the life and career of which Indian football player? FIFA kaisa series release khaikya 3 episode ni abo a series abo India ni bo football player ni life tai career noti hinchungora omni right answer angka D Sunil Chhetri India ni football captain ni life career noti release khaijaka a 3-episode series FIFA ni bisingte. Next question, which international airport awarded ASQ award for mission safeguarding? Bo international airport award mangkha hinchungo ASQ award mission safeguarding bagai omni right answer angkha A Cochin International Airport mangkha mo. In which state cabinet has approved the proposal regarding the establishment of Ranipur Tiger Reserve? Bo state ni cabinet approve khaikya ni saworo Ranipur Tiger Reserve ni proposal ni bagai establish khanin bagai omni right answer angkha B Uttar Pradesh o Tiger Reserve khulokjangnai. Next question, who will be appointed as the next Attorney General of India? India ni next Attorney General of India sabno rajangna hinchungo ro omni right answer angkha D R Venkataramani. Omthai sikang kaisa decide khaijak tongmani o Attorney General katal janan bagai Mukul Rohat keno si chongjak tongmani but bonanan choyangai taikhe change khaikya tai khoroksano abongkha R Venkataramani bongkha tabuk next Attorney General of India. Tinini current affairs session asungmangkha omhaite bo current affairs ni session rok Tripura Static GK tai Indian polity ni questions rok manan bagai chin channel by kereng tongdi baskango phaitongnai ICDS ni bagai belaikino nangnai o questions rok